Hi everyone, today we're going to make breakfast from my new cookbook. We're going to make the Moroccan potatoes and chickpeas. Now everything in this cookbook is usually 4 servings or more, so I'm going to cut it back to only make it for 2 people. I think it'll be a nice way that you can see how you can adapt a recipe. And I also don't have all the ingredients that I have written down in the cookbook. So we're going to take inspiration from it, and I hope that you take inspiration from cookbooks as well. You don't always have to follow them to the letter. So come on, let's go make breakfast. I'm following my basic recipe from my book for Moroccan potatoes with chickpeas, although I'm not making it for 4, so I'm going to cut the recipe in half, and I also don't have all these ingredients, so I'm going to improvise with what I actually have. So here we go. In this pan I have 1 potato that I chopped up and I partially boiled and then rinsed off with cold water. I have some dandelion greens which I chopped up, a half of an onion chopped up, I added a scallion that I chopped up, and here I have some of my spices. So I don't have all the spices from the recipe in the book, but I'm just going to wing it. I have salt and pepper, some ground cumin, and some smoked paprika. I'm going to toss all of this together, add some extra virgin olive oil, and heat this up until it's cooked through. Then we're going to add some chickpeas, and then I'm going to top everything with some eggs. It's going to be a beautiful Moroccan-inspired breakfast. Well, I've been cooking this for about 10 minutes, and it's time to add the chickpeas. This is a half a can of chickpeas that I've rinsed off. And again, we're just going to stir all this together and probably cook for about another 10 minutes. On top of everything, I'm going to make us 2 eggs each over easy. Or as we used to call them when we were kids, dippy eggs. These are coming along. I have the eggs starting to cook in a pan, and it's all coming together. And here we have Moroccan potatoes with chickpeas with 2 eggs over easy on top. I sprinkled the top with a little black pepper and a little smoked paprika. And doesn't that just look divine? Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the breakfast we had together and you try it for yourself. Sometimes it's just nice to cook with different spices. I use a lot of Italian spices, but this time we used the Moroccan flavors of cumin and smoked paprika, and it made all the difference. Please share this video with your friends, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget when I hit 1,600 subscribers, we're going to do a giveaway of the cookbook. So I'll see you then. Bye!